Hi, hello, and welcome to all. First of all, I dedicate this video to all those boys who are living all around the world. Most of the boys used to say that my girl is always fighting with me. She is not understanding my character. She doesn't cooperate with me. She don't like me. I think so. I doesn't like this relationship. I'm just going to break up her because she is always disturbing me. Like that, more and more bad comments were said by the boys towards girls. But all these things are totally wrong. If you know the things which girls like and dislike, then these things won't happen in your relationship. Because if you know these things, then you will just do those things for your girl. And if you make her happy, then she will put double the effort you put for her to make you happy. Before entering into this topic, I want to share one thought to you. A three-letter word, ego, destroys the 12-letter word, relationship. So, my dear viewers, just put away this ego from your relationship and love your partner and secure your relationship. Okay, now we can just jump into our today's topic, the things which girls like and dislike. The girls always love the person who is very loyal to her, the person who doesn't have any secrets within him, the person who shares each and everything to her. When you start sharing your past, your girl will understand your character fully and she knows your character and she will do all those things which you like and she won't do all those things which you don't like. And then the second thing is, while you're talking with your girl, just hold her hands because it will create a romantic relationship than the kisses and hugs. Because when you hold her hand, she will feel the words which you say to her. She will feel your love and then your words which is said by you. So while you're talking to your girl, just hold her hands. The third thing is, don't lie to her because the girls know all the secrets and each and everything which you do. So don't say even a single lie to her because if she asks something, she knows the answer already, but she's just checking you that you are saying the truth or not. So, my dear boys, always say the truth to your girlfriend and avoid saying lie to her. The fourth thing is always appreciate her. Even if she looks so dull and so dark, just go and say, baby, you're looking so beautiful. You're so lovely today. Like that, if you start appreciating her, she'll love herself and start loving you. And then the fifth thing is don't underestimate her because when you start underestimating her, she will lose her confidence step by step and she will lose the confidence in your relationship too. So don't underestimate her even in the worst situation. Most of the boys were thinking wrongly that girls love only those guys who are well settled and who have money, and the girls like only the expensive gifts. But these thoughts are totally wrong. Just put away these thoughts into the dustbin. The girl who loves you truly don't expect these kinds of gifts and money from you. She will just expect the loyalty, the love, and the caring and the kindness from you. The even a 5 rupees chocolate will fulfill her. So while you meet your girlfriend, just give even a small gifts to her because it will make her so happy and it will increase the love towards you. And in this modern world, nowadays we are saying the sentence I love you through message, through WhatsApp status, through Insta story and through video call and phone call and etc. But just try it once in your life. Just write this sentence I love you in a small paper and give it to your partner. It will make her so happy because it is written by you for her and that is a gift which is made by you, specially by you for her. So it will be so romantic and it will be so lovable too. And then always give priority to her. You may have more and more friends, but don't keep your partner below your friends. Don't say that my friends are so important to me than you. It will make her so sad. So don't do it even a single time in your life. And then the most important thing is don't expect her to message you first. If you want to message her or text her, just you do it. Don't expect for her message. It will make her so special. And then if you fight, just go and talk to her. If you talk first, it will make her so happy and she will think that you love her more than her. And then the important thing is share each and everything which happens in your day to day life. It will make her so comfortable with you. And then most of the people won't share their phone and the passwords with their partner. Just don't do it. If you are in relationship, then you must share your phone password and FB and etc. password with your girlfriend or boyfriend. It is most common to both of them because when you start sharing these things, they will start trusting you and the love will increase day by day. And if anyone says something wrong about you, they won't believe. They just hear it from 1 year and they'll just leave it through another year. So just share each and everything which happens in your life to your partner.